I saw you standing by the side of the river, cool wind moving, water slowly shiver. You didn't speak, you just stared at the stream, like you were lost somewhere deep in a dream. Your hair moved softly in the quiet night air, moonlight falling gently everywhere. And for a moment my heart felt froze, like I remember what it once chose. The same calm face from years ago, the one my heart won't let go. All the memories rushing through my mind, like the past and present just intertwined. So I step close and slow to the sand, watching the water drift through the land. Every small step felt heavy and deep, and my soul tried to keep. We walk slow where the water bends, where quiet rivers never pretend. You still never said a single word, but every silence somehow was heard. Your shadow moving beside the flow, like echoes from so long ago. Every ripple reflecting the sky, while old feelings slowly rise. My mind kept spinning through every year, every moment when you were near, every laugh that the wind once carried, every promise we almost married. For a second it felt so real, like broken time began to heal, like fate decided to rewind and let our two hearts cross one more time. Joga pouco. Slowly the sky started turning gray, the river mist drifting away. You figure fading into the light, like shadows leaving the edge of night. I tried to reach but the air felt bare, the riverbank suddenly empty there. The wind grew quiet, the world stood still, then more than